So in order to make it completely flexible, we're not going to use Flexbox or anything like that, but we're going to use position property, and we're going to set this to absolute. So absolute completely removes the element from the document flow. So it's no longer following the rules of the document. It's now free. So if we set the top to 0, you can see it's now freely where we've set it, but because we've used position absolute, it is completely free and out of the document flow. Now we want the elements, the numbers, to be right here in the SVG. Like, we want to position the element based inside the container, basically. So we have to get the container of saved account, which is list item. So we're going to scroll up to where we selected list item here. And we're just going to add a property, very important. We're going to add this property called relative. So this property will help the elements that we've selected here to be, and whatever positioning that we do, it will be based inside the container, will not be based inside the whole document, because without it, it will just be based, we want it to still be inside the container, right? So we have to use position relative inside, and we set this inside the list item container, so that any positioning that we add will be inside, or will be based on the container, or based inside the container. So now it's at the top of the container, and it's at the left of the container. If we set it to right, it will be towards the right of the container. So now it's based on the container and not just the whole document. It's not just outside, it's inside the container, which is what we wanted. Now we want to position it specifically, and we want it to be a little higher. So we're going to reduce the value of top. So let's say we wanted to keep it at -10 pixels. However, we're going to reduce that to 8 pixels, and we can see now it's perfectly towards the right corner where we want it to be.